welcome to this video. I don't like when I say that. Hello everyone, I'm so glad you're here. So as you're watching this, I have officially hit 10,000 subscribers. And I can't even fully comprehend it. Like, it's so crazy to me that 10,000 people have subscribed to my channel because you like my videos and you like my content. I'm so thankful for all of you. Oh my goodness. Because I'm isolated, I decided that I'm going to make a cake from scratch. As the cake is baking, I'm going to do a Q&A because a lot of you had questions that you would like to know about me, and I'm going to address everything that people have been asking about. So let's get the video started. I hope you enjoy. I had this cute little outfit on, but I'm freezing, so I'm putting on a big hoodie. Let me put my shirt on. So all I have is almond flour. I think my mom bought it for me a while back and I just haven't used it. And then I have vanilla extract to give it that vanilla flavor. And I have a mixer. My recipe is on my phone. I found it on Pinterest. I will link it down below if any of you want to try this recipe out. Okay, so this is what it's supposed to look like. We'll see if I can actually make it look as good as this. Oh, I totally forgot powdered sugar. What am I gonna do for icing? We'll figure it out when it comes to it. I don't know what I'm doing. Blizzard's interested in what the heck I'm doing. Interested in what the heck I am doing. Add the sugar. I have my coconut oil. Does that smell good? Baking powder. Such a weird smell. Such a weird flavor. You want to taste it? You want to taste the batter? Yeah? What do you think? What do you think? So now it is time for all of the questions that a lot of you have been asking me. I wrote down a list of all of the questions that people ask, Android or Apple. I am a diehard Apple fan. So I grew up with Apple and that's how I learned to do all of my editing. I've been editing since I was about 10 years old. I am an Apple fan. My favorite food and drink. My favorite food is definitely ramen. I eat it cooked and I eat it raw. I think it's so good raw because it's like crunchy and a snack, so. And then my favorite drink is water. What camera do I use? My camera that I'm filming on right now is the Canon G7X Mark II. And then I also film on my iPhone 11 Pro Max. What is my favorite thing to do during quarantine? Well, right now, my college is online, so I'm doing a lot of schoolwork throughout the day. I really enjoy watching like movies. Well, movies, TV shows, you know, anything. I love video games, so I play a lot of Minecraft. I have my own realm. And if any of you are interested in joining the realm, then I will link my Discord information below and you can message me and I'll see if I'll let you in. I actually have a group of friends that I play with on the realm and they have a YouTube channel too, which I will link their channel down below too. And I'm in a lot of the videos, so it's really funny. I like to play Roblox. I play Brawl Stars on my phone. I really just enjoy video games right now. How old am I? What is my birthday and what is my horoscope? So I'm 19 years old. My birthday is February 21st and my horoscope is Pisces. What is my height? In American language, I'm 5 foot 5 inches. What is my favorite childhood show? I stayed watching SpongeBob. I stayed watching like Max and Ruby. Oh, I love Max and Ruby. So this question is really personal and I did say I was going to be very personal on this channel, but there are some things in my life that I would not like to share on the internet. So So this question is, am I single / do I have a boyfriend? So in my past videos, you may have noticed that I had someone over that was always over in my videos, and he was in my videos a lot, and yes, that was my boyfriend, but we have broken off, and you know, for personal reasons that I would never say on the internet. But yeah, we are broken up, and yeah, I'm just gonna leave it at that. Do I live alone? No, I have a roommate. This is my roommate. Can you tell them your name? He's not my roommate, he's my child. What do I study in college? I currently study technological arts and marketing. What made you start YouTube? I've always been making videos, and I started my YouTube when I was probably about 10 years old. I was very into duct tape making, so I would make like wallets and bookmarks. I even made purses. I made a backpack for school, and so from that I watched a lot of duct tape video makers, people who were doing tutorials. So I wanted to do tutorials too, so I started a channel doing those tutorials, but that channel is private now. I started a new channel in about 2011. I didn't really post anything for a while, and then that's when I started to make like my montage videos. I think for so long I was just so young and insecure about a lot of things. I think I've just gotten to a point where I don't want to worry about what other people think, and I just want to be able to make my videos. Yeah, that was a really long answer for that question. How much do you earn from YouTube? I have not started earning money yet. I have reached the requirement to earn money on YouTube, but I'm waiting for YouTube to review my channel. I've been waiting for about 3 to 4 weeks now. Advice for someone who wants to start a channel. Honestly, if you want to start a channel, it really needs to be like a passion. If you don't have a passion for it, you're not going to be able to succeed like you want to. And you have to keep a positive mindset and stay patient, okay? It takes a long time to get famous on YouTube. And for some people, it can happen so quickly. I told you I've been making videos since I was 10 years old, and the difference for me making videos then is I uploaded every few months, and now I'm uploading once a week. Another major tip would be consistency. YouTube notices when you're uploading once a week or twice a week on the same day every time. They notice that, and they know that you're like a consistent YouTuber. You're gonna stick to it, so they recommend your videos more to more people. And oh, I think the cake's done. But now we're gonna decorate the cake. I have no way to make icing, and I have no icing, and I'm not leaving my house. So I'm going to use chocolate chips. $10,000 subscribers! Yay! Yay! Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this Q&A video. I hope it wasn't too boring. I'm not a huge fan of Q&A videos, but why not do at least one? So I will see you in my next one, and I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day, and I love you so much, and thank you so much for 10K.
Oh baby, now let me warm you up. Baby, please, let me love you much. Come on with me, baby.